Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So let's see today's daily challenge on Leetcode and try to solve it together. So today's challenge is a really easy one. I hope you will be able to do it definitely on your own. And the question is the largest three same digit number in string. So you will be given a string num which can be of the size of like 1,000. Okay, the length can be at max 1,000. So you will be given a string and you want to find a substring such that all the three digits are equal. Okay, so this will be a string of digits and you need to find a substring of length 3 only, of which all the three digits are equals, and you need to find the largest such distinct substring. Okay, so it should also have only the same number. As you can see, there is 777 in this string as well as 333, but the largest one is 7, so we output 7. Okay, and here 000 is only there, and there is no other choice. So largest one is this only, and this is only the good integer. And for this number, you see there are no such substrings of length 3 such that all the digits are equal. So we return just an empty string. So no substring of length 3 consists of only unique digits. Therefore, there are no good integers. So I hope this is very simple. So if you are having a string, let's say 666532999, something like this. So what you can do is that you can, let's say, there is a 2 here, and you can just keep iterating through all the digits. I mean all the three digit numbers. Okay, you can just keep iterating through all of them and just check whether all the three digits are equal. If it is equal, then you store it in an answer, you maximize your answer. Okay, so I hope this will be simple. But how will be your iteration? Since you as you when you are at I, you want to check I minus 1 and I plus 1 position. So you should iterate from I equals to 1 from first index to I equals to n minus 1 to the second last index. From the second element to the second last element, you should iterate so that you get to check a three digit window. Okay, so this will be your last three digit window and this is your first three digit window. So I hope this is quite simple and easy for you. Okay, and you can just keep an answer. Let's say it will be initialized to -1, and you need to maximize your answer when in your loop. When this criteria is getting fulfilled, the criteria of something like this string of I minus 1 is equals to this string of I, and this string of I is also equals to this string of I plus 1, then what you can do, you can maximize your answer. Okay, you can definitely maximize your answer. Otherwise, you just simply, continue with your iteration, and at the end, you can just triple your answer. So let's say your answer is something like 4. So yeah, you just triple your answer 444 as a string and just return it. Okay. So I hope that will be quite easy and simple for you. That will be not at all difficult. This is a simple brute force approach for today, and there should be no difficulty in solving this. So I hope things will be very clear. So I just initialize this answer as -1, and I will just have this string also. So I will just iterate through all the elements starting from I equals to 1 to the second last element, which I mean to be size -1. I hope you get it easily. So in this iteration, I just check that if num of I equal to num of I minus 1, and this num of I equal to num of I plus 1. Okay, so if these two are equal, these two pairs are equal, so it definitely means that we have got a continuous three length subarray whose all the elements are equal. And what you can do, you can just maximize your answer. Okay, so you can just do something like answer equals to max of answer, comma, this num of I minus 0, because it is in string format. So it's character, you just subtract the 0 from it to make it an integer. So what you can do is that if answer is equals to -1, you just return an empty string. It will mean that there are no such possible three length subarray where all the elements are equal. Otherwise, you can just triple your answer and just store it. Okay, so what you can do is very simple right now, is that you can just triple your answer. So it will mean that you have something to return. Okay, so you have a string return, and let's say you have something like this, and you just want to add your answer to this three times. Okay, so you just, let's say, call it to string answer, and you can just, I guess, copy it three times. Okay, so you are, let's say it's five, and you are just tripling it and returning the answer returned. I hope this is quite simple for you. This is definitely quite simple. So let's just try to check it whether it works or not, or we have committed some error. Okay, so you see, this is will be num instead of mnum. So you see, we do get an accepted thing if you try to submit it and check if it works. So you see, we do get a 100% runtime complexity too, because it is a simple O of n solution. There is no difficulty in this, I guess. So yeah, I hope today's problem was very clear to you. It's very simple, uh, very easy, and I hope your day also goes as easy as the problem. Thank you so much.